Hello, and a warm welcome to this complete Glasgow, Scotland guide. Glasgow, an energetic city brimming with culture, history and charm, is a treasure trove for the curious traveller. Our journey will take us through 13 must-visit spots, from the grandeur of the Kelvingrove Art Gallery and Museum to the tranquility of the Glasgow Botanic Gardens, from the historic Glasgow Cathedral to the bustling George Square. So, buckle up and get ready to explore the vibrant city of Glasgow. First stop, the Kelvingrove Art Gallery and Museum. Housing a civic art collection, this architectural marvel enthralls visitors with a myriad masterpieces. Works of Salvador Dali share space with Dutch masters, offering you a glimpse into a world steeped in art and history. But it's not all about art. The museum's natural history section beckons with a Spitfire plane suspended from the ceiling, its wings silently narrating tales of bygone eras. Each exhibit holds a fascinating story, each narrative riveting its audience. So if you're an art enthusiast, you'll certainly appreciate the Kelvingrove Museum. Next up, the Glasgow Cathedral. This grand Gothic edifice, erect since the 12th century, encapsulates Glasgow's illustrious history. Its hallowed halls seem to whisper tales from a former era. It's more than a religious site, it's an emblem of the city's tenacity and perpetual allure. The structure's commanding architecture and rich history transforms it from just an attraction into a voyage into yesteryears. It showcases the captivating blend of heritage and modernity that Glasgow represents. It serves as a living tribute to the city's historical narrative, embedded with centuries of stories and events. For history enthusiasts, the Glasgow Cathedral remains an unmissable destination. It's a must-see. Moving on, we have the Glasgow Botanic Gardens. This lush oasis, nestled in the heart of the city, is home to a myriad of exotic flora and fauna. Wrapped in a blanket of tranquility, it's a paradise for nature lovers and peace seekers alike. The gardens boast of a wide variety of plants, some of which are rare species, adding an element of surprise to every visit. The stunning Victorian glasshouses here are a sight to behold. The Glasgow Botanic Gardens are ideal for a serene stroll amidst nature. Next, we have the Riverside Museum. Be prepared to be transported back in time in Scotland's Transport Museum. From vintage cars to a tall ship, the museum is a journey through the evolution of travel and technology. It's where history meets innovation, and the past meets the future. And the best part, the admission is absolutely free. So, if you're a fan of all things transport and technology, this is your paradise. The Riverside Museum is a treasure trove for transport and technology enthusiasts. Let's not forget the Glasgow Science Centre. This architectural marvel houses 3 floors of interactive exhibits that make learning an absolute delight. From the mysteries of outer space to the wonders of the human body, there's plenty to keep you fascinated. It's not just for the little ones either. Adults, don't be shy. You might just find yourself sucked into the vortex of knowledge. A visit to the planetarium is a must. So, for a fun and educational experience, the Glasgow Science Centre is the place to be. Now let's take a stroll through George Square. This grand public square is the city's beating heart, brimming with monumental statues and architectural wonders. Named after King George III and planned in the late 18th century, George Square is a testament to Glasgow's rich history. Here, you can immerse yourself in the lively atmosphere, admire the city's historic architecture, and perhaps catch a public event or two. A visit to Glasgow would be incomplete without experiencing George Square. George Square is the heart of Glasgow, pulsating with energy and history. Next, we visit the Hunterian Museum and Art Gallery. This treasure trove, nestled within the University of Glasgow, is Scotland's oldest public museum. Housing a cornucopia of eclectic artifacts, from ancient Roman relics to avant-garde art pieces, it offers a journey not just through Scotland's history, but the world's. The museum's art gallery is the cherry on top, showcasing works by renowned artists such as Rembrandt, Turner, and Whistler. The Hunterian Museum is a paradise for art and history lovers. Moving on, let's explore the University of Glasgow. With its stunning Gothic architecture, the University of Glasgow is an educational institution steeped in history and tradition. It's one of the oldest and most prestigious universities in the world, often compared to Hogwarts due to its enchanting aesthetic. A walk through its hallowed halls is a journey back in time, offering a unique glimpse into Scotland's academic heritage. The University of Glasgow is a testament to the city's academic prowess. Next, we walk along the River Clyde. This majestic river, a lifeline of Glasgow, paints a picturesque panorama that's a feast for the eyes. Its banks, adorned with iconic structures, whisper tales of Glasgow's rich maritime past. The river's gentle curves carve through the city, offering stunning vistas at every bend. It's an ideal spot for a leisurely stroll, a morning jog, or simply to sit and watch the world go by. The River Clyde offers a tranquil escape right in the heart of the city. Now let's check out the Gallery of Modern Art. This iconic gallery, nestled in the heart of Glasgow, is an open invitation to the world of contemporary art. Its vast collections, featuring works from local and global artists, span across various mediums, challenging the traditional boundaries of art. From thought-provoking installations to vibrant paintings, each piece tells a unique story. A visit promises a cultural immersion, a chance to engage in artistic dialogues. The Gallery of Modern Art will captivate any modern art lover. Next, we visit the People's Palace and Winter Gardens. A marvelous oasis in the heart of Glasgow, this place is a treasure trove of history and culture. It houses a collection of historical artifacts and photographs that tell the story of Glasgow's past. The Winter Gardens, a large glass house adjacent to the palace, is a lush, tropical paradise, providing a tranquil escape. From social history to botanical beauty, this place has something for everyone. The People's Palace is a journey through Glasgow's past and present. Moving on, we tour the Glasgow Necropolis. A Victorian cemetery perched on a hill, it offers panoramic views of the city. It's not your usual tourist attraction, but the necropolis is a testament to Glasgow's rich history. The monuments and mausoleums, over 50,000 in total, are a tribute to the city's past, showcasing exquisite architectural design. It's a tranquil place where history and nature coexist. The Glasgow Necropolis is a peaceful and fascinating walk through history. Finally, we discover the Burrell collection. Tucked away in Pollock Country Park, this gift to the city from shipping magnate Sir William Burrell showcases over 8,000 objects. It's a diverse collection spanning centuries and continents, with everything from medieval art to Chinese ceramics. The Burrell collection is not just a museum, it's a time machine, giving you the chance to explore the world without leaving Glasgow. The Burrell collection is a gem that art and history enthusiasts will treasure. There you have it, the complete guide to Glasgow, Scotland. From the rich history of the Kelvingrove Art Gallery and Museum to the lush Glasgow Botanic Gardens, the city is brimming with beauty. Explore the stunning Glasgow Cathedral, walk along the River Clyde, or discover the Burrell collection. Each corner of Glasgow holds a unique story waiting to be discovered. So, pack your bags and let your curiosity guide you. Thank you for joining us on this journey. Until next time, happy travels.